Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Showdown in NBA Live. Showdown is an exciting online mode where you assemble your ultimate fantasy team to compete against other players. Your main objective is simple: outscore your opponent in a thrilling, fast-paced match. These games are designed for quick action, usually lasting around 3 to 5 minutes, making them perfect for a rapid competitive fix. Get ready to test your team building skills and on-court strategy. To begin your Showdown journey, first navigate to the Live Run or Online Modes section within the game's main menu. From there, simply select the Showdown option to enter the mode. Before each match, you'll need to carefully choose your starting 5 players. It's crucial to consider their individual skill sets and how they complement each other to build a balanced and powerful team, maximizing your chances of victory on the court. During Showdown matches, strong defense is paramount to limiting your opponent's scoring opportunities. Make sure to effectively utilize your star players' unique abilities and icon skills for crucial offensive and defensive plays. Mastering the shooting mechanics, including timing and release, will ensure consistent scoring from all areas of the court. Additionally, controlling the game's pace, whether fast breaking or slowing down, can give you a significant strategic advantage over your rival. After each Showdown match, winning will earn you valuable in-game currency and experience points. You can then use this currency to acquire new, more powerful players for your roster or to upgrade the skills of your current squad members. As you accumulate experience, your player profile will level up, unlocking exciting new features and more challenging opponents. Consistent participation and victories will also significantly improve your overall Showdown ranking, showcasing your dominance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.